Hello, I'm David Allen. Welcome to the Not Bad series. Today we're having a look at an update on our previous video on how to stop your car being eaten by rats or mice. And for this episode, we're on location in the middle of a severe mouse plague in Australia over New South Wales and Queensland on an 1100 kilometre front. In fact, some farmers are sleeping with each foot of their bed in a bucket of water so they don't get bitten at night. Some campers are sleeping with earplugs on account of the scratching from the mice on the tent. In fact, my sister-in-law even found one in the bottom of a toaster, which did explain why it was a bit hard to push the toaster down. And for the traveller like us, the risk is that overnight you'll get the insulation on your car wiring eaten out. Now if this happens, your car will be immobilised. Typically you'll be a month off the road, around about a $5,000 repair bill, insurance claim, excess to pay, and if you're travelling as we are, and in fact towing a van, very inconvenient. So I'm going to show you the strategies I'm deploying tonight to protect our vehicle overnight from any attacks by mice. Now all of these things I'm going to show you I keep in my rat kit, which is in the vehicle at all times, because even when there's no plague you never know the country you might end up in. Now the most important thing to remember is the mice and rats like warm, dark spaces. So the sooner you can park up your car for the night and allow it to cool down before dark, the better. And the other most important thing is to light up your engine bay overnight. So to do that I use an LED strip light like that, and I made a little plug on the battery which I just plug it into like so, and that lights up. And I wrap that around the engine, so the whole engine bay is illuminated all night. That's probably the most important thing you can do. That will draw next to no power. The other thing I'm going to do is take some peppermint oil, which is readily available from a supermarket. They hate the smell of peppermint oil, and I'm going to put that on these cotton wool pads and put it in various locations. They're quite like flat surfaces. So I'm going to put in various locations around the engine bay with about 4 drops of peppermint oil, like so. And that's a very good repellent. The other thing I'll do is hang these mothballs up. They hate the smell of mothballs. So I'm going to hang a few of those in the engine bay, like so. In various locations. I'll also connect one of these high frequency sound emitters to 240 volts, which is not audible to humans but a great deterrent for mice and rats. In fact, I've heard some people are spraying Dettol around the wheels of the car, which is, they say, is quite effective. You can also put a fake bird outside your vehicle, which is quite a good idea. So there you have it. There's a few strategies I'm going to deploy tonight to protect our vehicle. Not bad. And remember, your adventure begins the moment you decide to go.